So instead of focusing on quick results, let's focus on building sustainable hair care habits. Hair care habits that we can consistently do, that we can keep up with. Okay. Doing the things that I've suggested so far in this video. And again, making sure we have a plan, making sure we know what it is that we are trying to do and focus on one thing at a time. And that kind of reminds me of last year when I ran the marathon. Okay, I ran a marathon last year, and I don't know how the heck I got talked into it, but I did. Okay, and so when I decided to run, I didn't just. So I had a running coach. Okay, she was awesome, and I did not just show up on race day expecting to cross the finish line. Right, I had to train for months. Okay, building up my endurance step by step. Some days it felt like I was not making progress, okay? Because my trainer was like, look, you start with 1 mile at a time. You do 1 mile. If you can do 1 mile, you can do two. If you can do two, you can do three. Like she kept saying that. If you do five, you can do six, okay? And I was running in the cold, in the rain, in the heat, it didn't matter. Like I had to run often in order to build up my endurance so that on race day, I didn't show up looking like a fool. Okay. And so that's exactly how it is with our hair growth. We have to put in the time and the commitment, even when it feels like nothing is happening, even if it feels like this is stupid. Why am I doing this? Over time, those little efforts will add up to big changes. So again, this is where the Emergency Hair Care Planner is going to help you because it will make you create a plan. Okay. It will make you create a plan with goals and action steps. Okay. All right. So the next time you're feeling impatient, thinking that your hair is taking too long to grow, remember the key to growth is consistency, patience, and the right routine.